Ready to turn your love for shopping into a side hustle? Today, we're diving into how to find your Amazon Associates ID, the key to unlocking affiliate commissions and boosting your income. First, you'll need to log into your Amazon Associates account if you haven't created one. Get one now. There are many tutorials on how to do that once logged in. Look at the top navigation bar of the website. Can you see your name and Amazon Associates Central? Navigate to your account information by hovering your mouse over the text at the top of the page. After hovering your mouse over it, a drop-down menu will appear and you'll see Account Settings. Click this. The next page is the Account Settings page. Your Associate ID, also known as your Partner ID, is located in this section. You'll find it listed prominently. This is the unique identifier that links your sales to your account. Be sure to take note of this unique identifier. Now, remember to use this ID when creating your affiliate links. Adding this ID to your links ensures that your clicks generate commissions if you're promoting a product. You can always create a trackable affiliate link, which is created on the Amazon page for the product. Congratulations! You've just become a more effective Amazon associate, ready to track your sales and earn those commissions.